Hello, my name is Max Moreland, and in this video, we will be going over the folder system within PointMan. Folders are a way for you to organize all of your data within projects. So first things first, we're going to create a new folder by going into the Layers tab here, and then selecting the New Folder button right below it. From here, I will give it a name and a description. And then this checkbox below allows me to decide if I want to make this a PointMan Features folder or not. A PointMan Features folder is a folder that can only be used for the storage of data captured out in the field as a polygon, point, or line. For this video, I'm going to create a normal folder, which is used for importing data into the system, such as a shapefile, a KMZ, or a KML. Next, I'm going to create a subfolder in my video folder. To do this, I'm going to highlight over my folder and then select the new subfolder button right below it. Here, I will name it subfolder and make this one a PointMan Features folder. Something of note is that while a normal folder can have subfolders, a PointMan Features folder cannot have subfolders. And from here, you can create points, lines, and polygons that will all be stored in this subfolder. You can have multiple subfolders within one folder, but you are only allowed to have a subfolder within a folder. You cannot have a subfolder for a folder. Now we will delete a folder by highlighting over the name and selecting the trash can icon. Then we will click We agree to delete it. Or deleting a PointMan Features folder, you must type in the word delete before you are allowed to delete it. This way, you can confirm that you actually want to remove this data from your system. Select delete, and now the folder is gone. As a final note, while folders and subfolders are accessible from the mobile side, creating, editing, and deleting folders can only be done from the cloud application. Thank you, and have a great day.
To learn more about PointMan, visit pointman.com. And don't worry, dig happy.